Myself, Dr. Vishwamar Manti, Faculty of Physics, Postgraduate. Now, my experiment is screw gas. That is, screw gas, the aim of the experiment is to determine the measurement of a diameter of a wire and to determine the cross-sectional area of a wire by using screw gas. So the cross-sectional area can be calculated by using a screw gauge. This is the screw gauge. This instrument is known as screw gauge. It is commonly known as a micrometer screw, and it is used for precise measurement of small objects such as diameter of wire. It is based on the principle of micrometer screw. Actually, this is the screw gauge, this is the frame, and this is the jaws, and this is the frame, and ratchet arrangement is provided at the ends. Ratchet mechanism. The purpose of the ratchet mechanism is to reduce the zero error or to prevent the backlash error. Actually, whenever you will measure it, you will rotate the screw. This is the surplus scale. This is the surplus scale, and this is the linear scale. And this scale is known as the linear scale or pitch scale. This scale is the linear scale or pitch scale, and this is known as the surplus scale. And the ratchet arrangement is here to provide reduce the zero error or to prevent the backlash error. And this is the main scale or pitch scale. This is the pitch scale, and this is the surplus scale. And in this case, in addition to when you rotate the surplus scale, in addition to the circular motion, there is a linear motion. In addition to the circular motion, there is a linear motion along its pitch scale or along the main scale. Now, first of all, at the circular scale is divided into 100 divisions. In this case, circular scale is divided into 100 divisions, and this is the main scale. And first of all, its pitch of the instrument is to be calculated. The pitch is the linear distance moved by the screw divided by number of rotation or number of revolution of the surplus scale, or the linear distance traveled along the linear scale or pitch scale in one complete rotation of the surplus scale, or distance between two conjunctive threads. Suppose we will move the surplus scale. What is the distance in one complete rotation of the surplus scale? The linear distance travelled along the linear scale or pitch scale is called as the pitch. Pitch means that it will rotate the surplus scale in one complete rotation of the surplus scale. It will rotate the surplus scale in one complete rotation. What is the linear distance travelled along the linear scale or pitch scale is called as the pitch. So pitch, actually you know that in this linear scale, this is the linear scale or pitch scale, there is a 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is divided into 10 parts. Each part is 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. That is the smallest measurement is 1 millimeter. That is the pitch is equal to, that is the 1 millimeter is equal to, that is the pitch. And if you rotate the surplus scale, the linear distance travelled along the linear scale or pitch scale is equal to 1 millimeter, because it goes one division on the main scale. So that is why the pitch is equal to, in this case, pitch is equal to 1 main scale division, that is the 1 pitch scale division. That is 1 pitch scale division is equal to 1 millimeter, because in this case 10 centimeter, there is about 10 parts. In 1 centimeter, divided 10 parts, one part is 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. So pitch is equal to 1 millimeter divided by number of divisions. This is the number of divisions in the pitch is 1 millimeter divided number of divisions on the surplus scale. So surplus scale is divided to 100 divisions. The number of divisions is 100. So we'll get the least count. So least count means smallest measurement. Already I had told in the last experiment on the slide caliper that the smallest measurement that can be made by the instrument is known as least count. So in this case, the pitch is equal to 1 millimeter, because if you rotate the surplus scale, in one rotation the distance traveled along the linear scale is 1 millimeter, that the p is equal to 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. The least count is equal to pitch divided by number of division. The number of division surplus is 100. So the 1 millimeter by 100, that is 0.01 millimeter or 0.101 centimeter or 10 to the power minus 5 meter or 10 into minus 10 to minus 6 centimeter and or 10 micrometer. So since the least count is of the order of micrometer, so that is why it is also called as the micrometer screw gauge. So let's have an idea now to switch over to the measurement, how to calculate the diameter, how to calculate the diameter of a wire and also calculate the area of cross section. Now we will make for the observation. We will do the observation to calculate the diameter of this wire. And first of all, we have to place this wire in between the two studs and note the initial circular scale coincidence, that is ICSC. Now if we put the wire in between the two jaws, it is found to be 50. So initial ICSC is found to be 50, just see it. Now place the wire, thin wire, in between the studs and note the initial circular scale coincidence. Now it is the circular scale is 50 division on the scale lies at the speed scale, that is initial circular scale coincidence is found to 50. Note to the 50. So ICSC, that is I initial circular scale coincidence is equal to 50, and remove the wire from the studs and again mark 50 and rotate the circular scale till the two studs in contact with each other. This is one division and note the divisions. This is one division, one circular complete rotation. This is another circular complete rotation circular scale, two circular scale rotations. And this is again 3 rotations. And it is now after 3 complete rotation, the final circular scale reading is 98. So that is the final circular scale coincidence is 98. That is in the 98. So the final circular scale coincidence is equal to 98. So in this observation for calculation of diameter of a wire, already we have calculated the pitch is equal to 1 millimeter, that is 0.1 centimeter. And least count already we have calculated 0.01 centimeter or 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. And initial circular scale reading, circular scale coincidence is already we have taken the reading, that is equal to 50. And after 3 rotations, complete rotation, the two studs are actually in contact with each other, that is 3 rotations. And final circular scale coincidence, that is equal to 98, and the extra division since I less than F. Since if I is greater than F, just extra division is I minus F. Most important point is, if I greater than F, then the extra division, extra difference is equal to I minus F. If I less than F, because as the number of divisions circular scale is 100, so since I less than F, then you just add the n plus I minus F. If n is the number of divisions on circular scales, n is equal to number of divisions on circular scale. Circular scale. That is equal to, in this case, number of divisions circular scale is 100. That is the 100 division the circular scale plus initial circular scale coincidence is 50. So that is equal to I less than F means minus 98. If final circular scale coincidence is equal to 98. So that is why 100 plus 50 minus 98, and it is found to 52. And the pitch scale is equal to pitch scale reading is equal to in centimeter pitch into number of complete rotation. And already we have calculated the value of pitch, that is equal to pitch equal to 0.1 centimeter into number of rotations is 3, that is equal to 0.3 centimeter. And this is called pitch scale reading, and the surplus scale reading is equal to least count into I difference F. Surplus scale reading is equal to in this case I list surplus scale reading least count is found to be 0.01001 into I minus F. I minus F is 52. I difference is F is 52, that is 0.052 centimeter. 0.052 centimeter, and this is the surplus scale reading, and the pitch scale in pitch into number of rotation, complete rotation, that is 0.3, and PSR, this is the PSR and this is CSR, pitch scale reading and surplus scale reading, and you will add it, that is equal to 0.3 plus 0.052, that is equal to 0.352 centimeter. So this is I have taken only one observation. Similarly, number of 10 observation can be taken through this wire, and mean diameter, this is the mean only observation for diameter, I have taken only one observation. Similarly, 10 observation can be taken and mean diameter can be calculated in this manner. Okay, so by calculating the diameter of the wire, the area of cross section is equal to area of cross section of wire is equal to pi d square by 4. This is the diameter, that is centimeter square. It can be calculated. Okay, so we have taken the observation of the diameter of the wire through screw gauge, and since the diameter can be measured to the slide caliper. Since the slide caliper has the least count we have already calculated, that is 0.01 centimeter or 0.1 millimeter, but the least count of the screw gauge is 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeters. It's more least count of the screw gauge than the slide caliper. This least count of the screw gauge is less than the least count of the slide calipers. So it can be measured with a greater accuracy and high resolution, and since after 3 digits it can be measured with a greater accuracy. The slide calipers, it will measure the diameter of a wire or any materials, material to the screw gauge. It can be more precisely measured with a greater accuracy because its least count is less than the least count of the slide caliper, because least count of the slide caliper is 0.01 centimeter, that is 0.1 millimeter, but the least count of the screw gauge in this case is equal to, we have in this our instrument 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. So it can be more precise. After decimal it can measure the 3 digits, but through the slide caliper it can measure only the 2 digit accuracy. So hence the slide screw gauge is more precise. It will gives the greater accuracy and high resolutions measurement only can possible only through the slide caliper. So it's screw gauge. Okay, thank you very much.